At first we were co-workers in North Bay Village. I was working for the police department and she was working out of the city clerk's office. And we got to know each other, became friends.
I met James a few years ago. We actually worked together in a municipality, even though that we actually didn't like each other at first. But that's how we met. I blame it on that happy hour.
The first time I really realized that I was interested in her was we were setting up for a Halloween party for the kids in the community, and she was working on the haunted house. And there was something about her that day, her personality. She was just out of the office setting, having a good time, and she was enjoying what she was doing, and she just caught my eye.
He makes me very happy, he makes me laugh. He makes it all easy. He's a great man, a great dad. He loves his son very much. And he's an amazing human being.
Always been my biggest fan. She supports me in everything I do. She's a fantastic mother to her two boys who are fantastic. They're just good kids, and I'm looking forward to being part of that family. I'm very deeply in love with her, and she's the best person I know, and she's always going to be my best friend.
I want to tell him he's the man of my life, that I love him with all my heart, and that I am looking forward to spend the rest of my life with him. So cheers to a new chapter in our lives.